Where are we today, Gunnar?
At the boat.
At
Look
the
at
boat?
that big boat.
What kind of boat? What kind of boat are we seeing?
We're seeing a big giant pirate ship boat.
Big giant pirate ship. All right, let's go.
It's really close.
You ready, Gun?
Yeah.
Let's go on.
Yeah, let's go on there. Look at it. It's so big.
That's so cool.
Yeah,
Look how high that is, Gunnar.
I'm gonna go by the bombs. See, you can go by the bomb. And the steering wheel is down there.
Yeah, sure is, isn't it?
Oh, I didn't know that you can climb up there. Let's go on it. So let's get on it. We're in the pirate ship. Look at it's a teapot. No,
Yeah?
that is? That's the motor.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Okay.
Why does it have some stairs? Brian. Let's go.
Let's go. Okay. Go ahead. You can walk up the stairs.
Whoa.
Isn't that cool, Gunnar?
We're up so high.
We are, aren't we?
Hey, that's if this pirate ship drowns, they can just drop that boat and then hop into it.
Yep, that's the lifeboat, Sugar. Very good. Look at this. Wow.
So cool.
This is so cool, isn't it, Gunnar?
It's being on a real pirate ship.
Oh, yes, it is. So cool, huh? Look. What do you think? Don't touch those, Baba. What do you think all these are for?
I think that's to put up the sails.
What do you think it's for?
To put up the sails.
To put up the sails. Very good.
Then they still have to climb up.
Yep. They don't climb up those. They use those and they pull those to put up the sails, right?
Yeah.
Very good. Alright, let's walk this way. Ooh, Gunnar, you're in a tunnel.
Yeah. and it smells like there's no food here.
Yeah, but we're not going to eat on here, okay, Sugar?
Pigweed! Let's look at these. Oh, there's a weird looking penguin. Oh, little baby dolphin. Well, we already been here. Hey, that's the plane!
Yep, that's right. If you're naughty, I'm going to make you walk up there and jump off. Not really.
Yeah, there's no pirates on here.
Yep.
And Mama, I want a stamp too.
Yep, Mom's coming.
Nice. I gotta walk 9 steps down.
Cool.
That's not how you go down. This is how you go down. Wheel.
In there. It's cool, huh, Gun?
The steering wheel's in there.
Yeah.
I wonder if we can find a way to get in there.